जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना. Indians are packing their bags for their next travel destinations. Cozy sweaters coming out, ticket booking and hitting the skies. Hi, I'm Jasmine and you are watching The Edge. Join me in this Suhana Safar Mausam Haseen to unlock the new mantra of Indians, winter escape. According to visa platform Atlas, the number of Indians applying for international visas between November 2025 and February 2026 have shot up big time. ये विंटर का फीवर नहीं, ट्रैवल फीवर है बॉस. Winter for most of us is the last moment to live the concluding year, that's the end of the year. Christmas, New Year, long weekends, school holidays, shadi season, everything rolls into one big travel mood. In fact, the winter season has now officially become India's peak time for international travel. The idea of spending December stuck in traffic, attending 3 weddings in 2 days and sweating in a sherwani, that's a complete no for Indians. Indians now prefer sipping coffee in Paris or taking Instagram reels under fairy lights at Christmas markets. And Atlas data says it loud and clear. Visa applications are booming. So, who is behind all this wanderlust? Millennials are ruling this game. 54% of the visa applications are from millennials, the work hard and travel harder generation. They are not waiting for retirement to see the world. They are doing it right now, booking their Schengen visas and chasing snowy dreams in Europe. The fun part is that Gen Z is not far behind. They make up 25% of all applications. They are the DIY generation. Travel blogs देखो, plan करो and off they go. जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा is the new Gen Z life rule. Travel is changing and so are the travelers. Women now make up 34% of all applicants. And you are gonna love this. Women are now flocking to Sri Lanka, while men are busy chasing snow in Schengen regions. Sri Lanka's beaches, food, spas, everything seems to be the perfect me time formula. You can almost hear someone say, passport hai to power hai boss. Now winter travelers fall into 2 types, the snow seekers and the sun chasers. For some, winter means a white Christmas, snowflakes and ski slopes. They are off to Switzerland, France and the UK for those aesthetic views, Christmas markets, snow angels and northern lights. Basically, every travel blogger's dream seat. Then there is other tribe, the one who says, ew, ठंड मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं. They are heading to warm and sunny escapes like Bali, Dubai and Sri Lanka. Beach vibes, open air parties and year-end tan goals. And if you think international trips are only for luxury travelers, then you need to think again. Short-haul getaways like Vietnam, Thailand and the UAE are popular because they are quick, fun and don't break the bank. Now, drum rolls! Time for the Desi twist, wedding season. This year alone, India is expecting nearly 46 lakh weddings in November and December. And guess what comes right after the fairas? Yes, honeymoon trips. Newlyweds are filling up visa slots faster than haldi date at a wedding planner's office. Most are heading straight to Europe, that is Paris, Italy, Switzerland, because nothing says just married like sharing bagweight, coffee and croissant under the Eiffel Tower or a snow selfie with hashtag couple girls written all over it. Earlier, most travelers were from Delhi, Mumbai and Bengaluru, our usual travel champs. But now, Lucknow, Ludhiana and Surat are also climbing the charts too. Tier 2 India is saying, hum bhi hai line mein. Flights are busier, visa offices are crowded, all in the quest for some winter bliss. This shows how India's travel mindset is evolving. We are no longer saving up just for a car or house. Travel has become the new must-have experience. It's about celebrating life, unwinding with family, recharging your soul, and sometimes just showing off your new passport stamp. And thanks to the platforms like Atlas, simplifying the visa drama. Traveling abroad is no longer just for a lucky few. It's becoming part of how this generation lives. That is spontaneous, experience-driven, and joy-focused. So, whether you are planning to walk through snow in Europe or soak up the sun in Bali, one thing is clear: winter is India's favorite travel season. As they say, कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना पड़ता है. This winter, lakhs of Indians are just doing that, stepping out of their routines, passports in hand, and chasing memories instead of Monday blues. So, where will you be this winter? Under a blanket or under the northern lights? Comment your dream destination below. Let's see who is ready to turn their travel dream into a boarding pass. And don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to The Edge.